The sky has resigned. The familiar stars are gone. The moon isn't alone anymore. It's midnight. There's a colossal arch over New York, a glowing river above London, perfect, white, and terrifying. Light is claiming everything. Darkness is retreating. This isn't a celebration. It's a cosmic occupation. The order has been rewritten, and we haven't realized it yet. But that isn't the real problem. The rings don't just sit there. They act like a massive mirror. They catch the sunlight and spray it into the void. True darkness is now just a memory. The night has turned into a glowing gray. Your perspective changes everything. If you were standing at the equator, you'd see a razor-thin line overhead, a silver blade slicing the sky in half. But as you move north, this line grows into a giant, a massive structure rising from the horizon, encircling the heavens. Light is everywhere. Silence is everywhere. Yet this grandeur comes with a heavy price. The rings are billions of pieces of ice and rock, and these fragments threaten everything in orbit. Humanity's windows to space are slamming shut. The signal on your phone is dead. GPS satellites are being torn apart in this cloud of debris.
Earth is being trapped inside the glowing web it wove around itself. The sky has never looked this beautiful, and it has never been this dangerous. This isn't just a view, it is gravity's triumph. But the true destruction begins where the light ends. This glowing arch isn't a miracle, it's a remnant of a corpse. Once, Earth had a moon, perhaps a giant rock encased in ice. For billions of years, it orbited like a loyal friend. Then, the rule of distance broke. Gravity acts like a hand sometimes. It grabs satellites and begins to squeeze. Invisible fingers pull the massive body in two different directions. It's like tearing dough apart. Internal pressure builds. The ground cracks. Eventually, the colossal structure can no longer resist its own weight. The Roche Limit, an invisible but lethal boundary. The moment you cross this line, integrity becomes an illusion. Gravity forces the moon's internal organs to leak out. Rock shatters, ice crumbles, and within seconds, that massive weight turns into a cloud of dust scattered around the planet. Those magnificent rings we see are actually a slow-motion recording of a great catastrophe.
The white river in the sky is the ash of a shattered world. When the balance breaks, physics is ruthless. And this new equilibrium is now preparing to freeze the entire planet. The sun no longer wants to warm us. As the rings shine like a mirror in the heavens, a dark reckoning begins on the ground. When winter arrives, that colossal white arch moves in front of the sun. A massive shadow, thousands of miles long, falls across the earth. This isn't an eclipse, it's the light abandoning the soil. For millions in the mid-latitudes, the seasons are now committing treason. Spring doesn't come. The earth refuses to wake up under this cosmic shadow. Harvest season turns into a silent mourning ritual in frozen fields. Every fragment of light stolen from the sun chokes the planet's breath a little more. Ocean currents are losing their way. As the heat balance shatters, winds batter coasts they've never touched before. While one half of the globe freezes, the other struggles to survive within this new order. When a farmer sees the seeds his family sowed for generations fail to sprout, we meet the true face of the cosmic hierarchy on Earth. This is no longer just a landscape, it's a global cooling, and it's only the beginning.
The tragedy isn't just unfolding on the ground. The chain reaction starting in orbit is turning the sky into prison bars. Billions of ice and rock fragments within the rings are striking our satellites like bullets. Every collision breeds a new cloud of debris. Every wreck creates a new machine of destruction. One bullet births thousands more. In seconds, billions of dollars of technology dissolve into a heap of scrap. Communication networks go silent. The digital world is buried in stillness overnight. The information age is committing suicide in the very sky it built. As navigation systems go blind, planes lose their way. The internet isn't a luxury anymore, it's an impossible dream. As the links between cities snap, humanity is trapped within its own small borders. Worst of all, this debris cloud encircles the orbit like a cage. No rocket can pierce this belt anymore. No human will ever set foot on the moon again. Our chance to touch the stars was shattered within that glowing river. The Earth is buried forever inside this cosmic web it wove around itself. The sky doesn't just glow,
It is now a wall that cannot be breached. Humanity is left alone in its own home, and this new reality is forcing us to look back at our roots.
Technology dies, but the human spirit adapts to everything. If these rings had been there since the dawn of our civilization, we wouldn't see them as a catastrophe. We would see a silver compass. Sailors wouldn't navigate by a North Star that no longer exists. They would find their way by the slope of this massive architecture against the horizon. Ancient religions would declare the cities where the arch stands tallest as the thrones of gods. Calendars would be written around those dark days when the ring's colossal shadow falls upon the earth and freezes the harvest. A cosmic normalcy. Just like Saturn, we would be one of the universe's famous ringed giants. Children wouldn't look up and feel like something was missing, because humans are designed to turn even the wildest changes into tradition. This massive debris cloud would simply be the sky, an ancient structure, a silver path, a glowing destiny etched into the heavens. But now, set this fantasy aside. Return to the real world. Look up right now and see the vast, deep void you possess. Silent, ringless, and perfectly dark.
In reality, this is the greatest and rarest gift the universe has ever granted us. We are walking a delicate balance inside a glass sphere, far removed from the massive gravitational wars of the deep cosmos. While gas giants out there ruthlessly tear their moons apart to craft magnificent necklaces for themselves, we grow under the peaceful, steady light of a single companion. That void, the absence of rings, is actually our true freedom. The fact that our gateway to space remains unlocked is the ultimate privilege of our species on a universal scale. The silence we live in isn't a deficiency, it's a cosmic shield. Rings can grant a planet an indescribable grandeur. They can transform it into a masterpiece glowing in the dark, a cosmic signature. But sometimes, the greatest power is hidden in that plain, infinite void where no ornament exists. Our sky isn't a prison wall, it's an invitation, because the universe loves order and balance. Sometimes, to achieve this equilibrium, it shatters the sky and imprisons it within a silver ring. But other times, it creates the ultimate balance by leaving the sky completely empty and free. And perhaps the real miracle isn't the glowing rings we imagine seeing when we look up, but the fact that we can gaze into infinity without a single obstacle in our way.
That silver arch in the sky wouldn't just redefine the heavens. It would rewrite time, space, and everything we know. Because now, the truth is clear. A ringed Earth would change everything.